Thank you for considering Chinook Services carpet cleaning. I'd like to go over some key points and explain our method of truck-mounted steam cleaning. We use hot water extraction, the most recommended method by leading carpet manufacturers. Our process includes spot removal. If there are any spots that are hard, like red wine, ink, or various others like pet stains, there may be a small charge. However, at Chinook Services, we never lowball the cost and make our technicians upsell all the steps. Most everything is included with the service. We also are family owned and operated. Our technicians are friendly, courteous, uniformed, and show up in a marked vehicle. Thank you so much for considering our carpet cleaning service, and please let our office know if you have any questions. Our number is 425-290-8635. Thank you and have a great day.